Hello students, today I am going to solve one question, and the question is of the electricity chapter. It is useful for class 10th, class 12th Agniveer X group examination or any examination up to the level of diploma holders. So now let me start this. Solution. Now we have been given, consider the circuit shown in the figure. Find the current I3. This is the circuit which has been given to us to solve this. Now in this circuit we see that there is two resistances, 28 ohm and 54 ohm, and there are three batteries, that is cells, 6 volt, 12 volt and 8 volt. Now this circuit consists of two loops, loop number 1 and loop number 2. So we have to find out the current I3. तो इस सर्किट में हमको करंट I3 को बताना है कि I3 का फ्लो कितना होगा. मीन्स करंट फ्लोइंग थ्रू द सर्किट I3 will be how much. Now to calculate this, इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए we will applying Kirchhoff's voltage law, KVL in loop 1. So we know that IR equals to V. So here we will write I is in loop 1 I1, R is 28. So we can write 28 into I1 equals to, now voltage will be, since these are equal to -6 -8, for loop it will be -6 -8. 28 I1 equals to -6 -8 means -14. So I1 will become -14 upon 28, and once we solve it, 14 1 ja 14, 14 2 ja 28. That means 1/2 ampere is the value of current I1 flowing in the loop 1 in this circuit. Now similarly applying KVL in loop 2. Now we will see in loop 2, that is IR means 54 resistance into current means I2 equals to the potential difference, that is -6 -12. So we will get 54 I2 equals to -18 volt, or I2 will become -18 upon 54 equals to 18 1 ja 18, 18 3 ja 54. So that is, it comes out to be -1/3 ampere. Now the current I3 equals to what? I1 plus I2. The current flowing through the circuit, that is I3, will be the sum of the two currents, that is I1 and I2, I1 and I2. So अभी तक हमने कैलकुलेट कर लिया है, I1 हमारा -1/2 आया और I2 जो है वो -1/3. अब इसको हम ऐड कर देंगे. सो -1/2 प्लस -1/3. So -1/2 -1/3 equals to, now LCM will become 6. So we will get -3 -2 equals to -5/6 ampere. So our answer is -5/6 ampere. So current flowing through circuit, that is I3, answer will become, answer I3 equals to -5/6 ampere. So in this way, by applying the Kirchhoff's voltage law in loop 1 and loop 2, we can solve the questions. Please subscribe to my channel, like it and share it. Thank you.